When working with Azure Tables, you need to ensure that only authorized users, application or services can access your data. Let's discuss in regard to the Azure Table access control here. With Microsoft Entra ID authentication, access to Azure Table follows a two-step process. As part of authentication, a security principal, which could be user group of application, is authenticated by Microsoft Entra ID, which then issues an OAuth 2.0 token. And as part of authorization, the token is included in the request to Azure Table, and Azure Airbag roles determine what actions the principal is allowed to perform. This method is available for all general purpose storage accounts created with the Azure Resource Manager model. To grant access to Azure Tables via Microsoft Entra ID, you must assign the appropriate Azure built-in role or create a custom roles. Storage Table Data Contributor grants read, write, delete permissions for Azure Table Storage, and Storage Table Data Reader grants read-only access to table data. In this case as well, if your Azure role include list key action on the storage account, you can access table data using the storage account keys. However, this method provides full access to the entire storage account, which makes it less secure than Microsoft Entra ID authentication. Microsoft recommends disabling shared key access whenever possible to reduce security risk. Bottom line, you should use Microsoft Entra ID authentication whenever possible for better security to access Azure Tables. You should assign the appropriate Azure Airbag roles to limit access to table data. You should avoid using storage account key and disable shared key authorization if not needed. And use managed identities for seamless authentication in Azure hosted application. By following these best practices, you can ensure secure role-based access control for your Azure storage and keep your data safe and manageable.